What's up, guys, an everyday Canadian? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own hot sauce. So Tasha picked me up this kit, this hot sauce kit. Basically all the ingredients are inside this. You just make your own hot sauce. You guys can make your own hot sauce any way you like. So we're going to do this right from scratch. We're going to open this, do a review, and yeah, hopefully it turns out really good. So we'll start off by opening this up and see what we get inside. So this is a hot sauce kit. So, I don't want to break this, so put that over there. I don't know if anything else is in there. Alright, so clearly we have two skull head glass jars, if I can open them. So we got jar 1. We got another jar, just some skull head jar hot sauce holders. And then we have this box, I guess, with all our ingredients in it. So we'll open this up, see what we get inside this. Alright, so we have a bag of Diablo chili flakes. So your own chili flakes right there. We have another bag of Diablo chili flakes. We have garlic flakes, so just some normal garlic flakes. So I think, so this is onion flakes, onion, dehydrated of course. And this even gave us, oh, and there's some salt. So it's like salt to taste, so we'll have to figure that out, how much salt. It also comes with some gloves. So,
are those gloves, or is that a bag?
I don't even know what this is. Looks like gloves, because I would imagine
could be a marinating bag, though.
Like a shake and bake bag?
Something like that.
I'll open this up for you guys.
It's kind of small to be gloves.
I don't know, it looked like gloves, because you'd imagine touching flakes, right? You wouldn't want to touch flakes. They are gloves. So yeah, we got some gloves, guys, because you don't want to be touching... you know, honestly, I don't even know what ghost pepper is, or ghost pepper flakes are. Are they called Diablo?
I have no idea.
Let me know if you guys know. I didn't even research Diablo chili flakes. I don't know. It might be just red chili. I don't know. I've never heard of Diablo chili flakes. That's surprising.
Well, when you open it, try a little bit and give them a review on the chili flakes.
Yeah, I guess I could do that for you guys. So let's clean up our workspace here.
We'll turn the camera back on once we clean it up a bit.
Yes, let me clean this up and we'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, now that our workspace is cleaned up, we opened up all the packages to get them ready. The ingredients are on the back, so I'm going to try to talk and do it at the same time for you guys. So step 1, take 2 cups of diced tomatoes and heat in a saucepan. So we have...
Can't put the box there.
I'm not turning the stove on yet. So... there's no salt needed for this stuff. This is a 796 milliliter can. It should be good for it. So we'll open this up. Need to get a better can opener. There we go. So it basically says heat.
Measuring cups right here.
I'll need that for the vinegar.
You need it for that too. You're supposed to do it right. That's 2 cups. This is a 2-cup measuring cup.
I was going to get to that, but I'm going to say I need a measuring cup for... don't you hate when that happens? Okay, there we go. Okay.
Don't pour it on top of my
I'm not going to wreck your St. Patrick's Day.
Do it over top of the saucepan.
Okay. So it says 2 cups of diced tomatoes.
That's 2 cups.
Yeah, so this whole thing would be 2 cups. That's 2 cups, guys. So first thing we want to do is bring it to a heat. So 2 cups, diced tomatoes, and heat in a saucepan. So we don't want to have anything near there. Just put that over there.
Yo, dirty my cloth.
I'm sorry about your cloth.
Okay.
Alright, so we want to have this around medium heat. We'll let this simmer up and then we'll pick this back up, guys. Alright guys, so now that we're at a simmer, I was trying to squish these tomatoes a little bit more. I'm not a big tomato guy. So next step is add 1 cup of white distilled vinegar. So we have this white distilled vinegar. That's vinegar, right? Okay. All right.
No, put the measuring cup down. You can't get a full measurement. Chef Ramsay would tell you that.
Oh yeah. So we are at 1 cup. Now this will actually make 2 portions up for the jars. There's also a catch to this video. You guys will see there is a catch. So we'll add this in. Give that a little mix. Wow. So the vinegar will actually break down the sauces, because later on in the future, when we go to age this, you're going to strain the vinegar, or you're going to strain the stuff, all the chunky stuff out and make your own liquid sauce. So you guys can add this to like a salsa or whatever you're using it for. I'm going to strain it like a Frank's Red Hot or Tabasco sauce, so it'll turn out really nice.
Have you tried the chili yet?
I haven't tried the chili. Tash has been bugging me to try the chili flakes on camera, guys. So we'll try the chili
Put
flakes
some in your hand.
I don't want to. Is that enough?
No,
Yeah, I'm not going crazy with this.
that's okay. Is it hot?
It's hot.
Like worse than Frank's?
It's almost like a habanero, almost. Okay, that was dumb. Ugh. It's just gross. Anything dehydrated, like pepper flakes or hot pepper shaking stuff, whatever it is, the seasoning is pretty gross. Okay, that's pretty hot. It's okay, it's tolerable.
Okay, what
It
next?
just tastes gross. Okay, so number 3 is create the special hot sauce blends by adding 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Now it's saying that because it's basically heat to taste.
Heat to taste?
Or taste the, well basically everybody has a different...
Season to taste.
Season to taste. Everybody has a different ratio of heat that they
to
like.
taste.
Okay. Everybody likes a certain amount of portions in their food and all that, right? But like I said, you know, some people like a little bit of heat, some people like a lot of heat. So we're going to do like a medium for one, and then I'm going to show you guys for the second one what we're going to do.
That's a portion for 2 jars. I hope you know that.
I'm going to do half for 1 jar, and then I'm going to show you guys what I'm putting in the second jar. So we'll do two good honking tablespoons. Like I said, I won't use all that up.
Hey, you're gonna dirty.
Sorry. 4, you can create a special blend by mixing chili blends, but taste as you go to ensure that you have reached the desired flavor blend. Number 5, to make it hotter, add more chili flakes. And to create a sweeter sauce, add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. We're not going to do that because we're not doing sweet sauce here, guys. So, next is finish by adding salt to taste.
So mix it first.
I know. So we get all our chili flakes in there. Can you see that very well in there? Probably not. The lighting's horrible, guys.
Yes,
I'm sorry.
I can see.
Trying to give you guys an idea.
Oh, that vinegar you can smell.
Oh yeah, the vinegar will reduce too. It'll also be a thickener too for when it sits. So we're going to add our salt now. Tasha's getting mad because I'm putting it there. So salt goes a long way, so you don't really need a lot of salt. And I'm pretty sure this is almost like a sea salt, different. So I'm just going to add a tablespoon of salt. That should be a lot. The salt, you don't need a lot of salt. Okay. Ooh, sorry. In the food.
That's my pan. Don't do that with it.
Okay, I'm sorry. So we'll give that another mix, guys. Okay. Add lemon or lime, or lemon and lime can be added for additional flavoring as well. We don't want none of that lime or lemon in there. It's optional, guys. So bring sauce to a boil, let simmer for 20 minutes, then remove the heat and sit for another 20 minutes before pouring in the jars. Pretty simple sauce for you guys. So we're going to bring this up till it's really hot, and then we're going to pick this back up, pour them in the jars, and I'll still show you guys what I'm doing for jar number 2. So we'll pick this back up, guys. Alright guys, it's been 20 minutes. We're going to turn the heat down a little bit. Now we're going to add our flakes of garlic and onion. So garlic flakes. I love garlic, so we're just going to sprinkle this in. It's dehydrated, so it will go back to normal after the sauces mix in well with it. Next we have our onions. Give that a little stir.
Turn the heat right off.
Turn the heat right off. Oh, it smells incredible. Alright, says let simmer for 20 minutes. We did that. Remove from heat and let sit for another 20 minutes, guys. So you gotta let this sit, let all the flavors just sit there and combined, and we'll pick this back up and we'll start the jars. Alright guys. Alright guys, so it's been almost 20 minutes. It's cooled down a lot. We got the jars open. We put it inside the measuring cup so it's easier to pour into the jars. Now, the second catch to this video is that we got some Carolina Reaper powder that we did from our last challenge, the Carolina Reaper chocolate challenge. We're going to add it to the one jar. So we have some Carolina Reaper hot sauce and some Diablo sauce. So let's get started. So we just want to take one of our jars and be careful with our measuring cup. Stuff's very chunky. Just want to get this spoon a little bit. And if you guys have extras, that's fine too. We just want to leave a little bit of room for the top. Just a little bit. There's one jar done. Got his little red face. Isn't that cool, guys? Let's fill up this jar.
Satan's brains.
Yeah. Now you guys can make your own hot sauce, even a barbecue sauce if you guys want. You know, thought I'd share this little kit with you guys. You're done. And it's okay, we got extra. I got another jar, mason jar. You guys can store this. You guys can also store this for about 6 months before it expires. So you have a 6-month expiration date on it. Also, if you have a pressure cooker with some mason jars, you guys can get a few years actually out of it by pressure cooking the seal, so it's got freshness longer. So yes, we have Mad Gringo Carolina Reaper powder here.
Open it over the garbage.
Just do it over the garbage, guys. Oh, I hate when this, yeah, I wasted some. You guys can yell at me. So we're just gonna...
Wait, I can't see.
We're just gonna douse the top of this. This thing cost me like 25 bucks.
Okay, that's enough. You're not gonna eat it.
Alright, guys. So we'll put this lid on. I won't be able to tell which is which. Both lids are on tight. Give that one a shake. So we got Carolina Reaper hot sauce here. Diablo sauce right here. So I forgot to mention one more thing, guys. You're not going to want to touch this right away. You're going to want to wait about 2 weeks on your shelf or in a pantry somewhere dark. Also, like I said before, you got 6 months before you guys can either refrigerate it or you guys can leave it on a shelf still. Yes, this is the homemade hot sauce. Hope you guys liked the video. Follow me on social media, Facebook and Twitter. This is an Everyday Canadian. Take care, guys.